Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick little craft with me. I'm going to be sharing these pink and May. These are part of the new release that they had recently. And it is the Big Bow Paperclip dies and the Note Pages dies. I wanted to create something with this. And look at how cute this is, you guys. It creates this cute little paperclip. And then this is a separate die with the little note. And you just clip it like that, and it's so cute. So I figured we put one together. I don't have a lot of time today, so hopefully this video won't be too long. So you get two different pages. One has the perforated things on top, and then the other one has like the whole things on the side. So what I did is you get 3 pieces to cut out. You get this piece for the main base, you get a piece for the base of the bow, and then you get this cuts out all the pieces of the bow. So I'm going to paper piece this really quickly onto my glitter paper. I chose to use that. And I'm just going to glue 1 or 2 pieces, and then I'm going to go off camera and glue the rest. So I've been using my little mini glue tip bottles that I got for $1 on scrapbook.com. I'll link them if you're interested. So you just paper piece this part. And you can use another color cardstock. I like to use the print. I'm playing with Maggie Holmes' Sunny Days collection. And I am obsessed. I'm having so much fun playing with this collection, you guys. You can get it on americancrafts.com. Use my affiliate link down below and you'll save another 10% off your purchase. And guys, the stuff on there is so cheap. $1 and some change, $2 for certain things on there. Really, really affordable. 25 packs of 12 by 12 paper sheets for $3.99, and that sale ends in May, guys. We're approaching the end of that sale, the vault sale, so make sure you take advantage of that. All right, I'm gonna paper piece this to come back. I have that paper piece, and all you're gonna do is glue that onto here. Now, as you notice, it only has 1 tail, so go ahead and put glue all over this top part and the tail here, and you're just gonna line this up. Now, I'm using Basil cardstock for the paper clip part, my base piece, as you can see, and it's a little flimsy. It is 80-pound cardstock, but I want to make it nice and sturdy, so I'm going to go ahead and glue another piece of paper underneath to make it nice and sturdy, because I do want to slip this on and off, and I don't want it to tear or bend or break on me. So I'm going to glue that real quick. So I'm literally just going to glue those together, and you can see the white on the back. Line it up really nicely. I'm not lining it up the best, but it makes it a little bit more sturdier, and then you can just clip this on whatever, slide it onto whatever. Okay, so I have a Memorydex card that I wanted to put together. This is the base of it. This is from Heidi Swap, and I already picked out something to embellish this. I want to make this a pocket so that you can like tuck things in here if you wanted to. So I'm just gonna put glue on the bottom and a little bit up the sides, and I'm gonna glue that like so. Oops. Glue that like that, and then this paper clip can go in and out, and you can stuff other goodies on here. How cute is that, you guys? And then I'm just gonna embellish this really simply. I'm gonna do this little piece here. I wish I had the time to stitch this. That's going to add an extra little nice piece, fun element to this. Okay, I think that that's good. And then I'm just going to simply glue this little piece here. So really short and sweet video today, you guys. I'm running low on memory and time, so yeah, I think I like that. About there, maybe. I can't remember where I had it placed. Let's go more back. Okay. And then we have our little clip that you can pull on and off. And then I grabbed another one here. So this one's got the holes on top, and then this one has it on the side. So same thing. I'm gonna have this one go on this side, so I'm just gonna actually glue up to here and on the bottom, and just a little bit on the side. So again, I can have that pocket element where I can, you know, stuff it with whatever. But for now, we're just going to put that paper clip. This is so cute. I'm obsessed, you guys. I had to jump on here really quickly and do something with you all with this die set. I purchased it a couple of weeks ago, maybe. And I just had to play with it. Okay. I'm going to finish this project off with some gemmies. And that is it. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very short and sweet. And make sure you guys grab these sets. They're so cute. I just had to share them with you all. I hope you all have an amazing day. And I will catch you in the next video.